Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can remove the notification virus like a tablas or other like that things from your OPPO Pad Air. So to start, if you see something like that in your web browser, for example, the spamming pop-ups or something like that in your notification bar, that means you have a notification software, and we can try to remove it by two ways, by the system settings and by the Antivirus app. So I'm gonna show you the first method now. We have to open the settings, then go to the apps, choose app management and check all the apps on this list, and if you see something strange, the app that you have not installed before by yourself, just something unwanted app, just open it and click on install, click OK, and now go to the second step. So go back to the app management and open your web browser, then choose storage usage and tap on the manage space, tap on the clear all data and click OK. After that, your web browser should be free from notification software, but if that way doesn't work for you, you can always try to download Antivirus app. I'm always using Avast, so we have to tap on the get started, next and skip. Now close to ads and tap on the continuous free. Now tap on the start scan and allow a permission. Go back to the Avast and choose scan type. I prefer to use the tip scan. And now after the scanning process, all of the unwanted softwares, the malwares, viruses and notification softwares should be deleted from your tablet. That's it, thanks for watching, leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.